Hey, before we begin, I would just like to show you Rocky, who's really doing fine now. And as you can see, he has two new friends, Luna and Sangre, two female fighting fishes.
Good morning, everyone. Look at Rocky. He's all better now. Look, he's swimming now and he's okay. Look at him. Very, very cute. Ooh. Time to make the slime. First, we need to open the glue. This, since we got the glue open, let's pour it in here. And we got the spoon, teeny tiny spoon, and the glue is pouring in. Of course you know. Whoa!
The ingredients are
Glue,
glue.
glitter glue, and
We're using white glue because we didn't find any clear glue.
yes. And we have detergent.
Liquid detergent.
Yes, yes.
Right here. We're back to Ariel because we didn't find any borax around.
Yes, true.
And some good glitter slime. Rocky with Kayla's Chucky.
Chucky. Rocky with my Chucky. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Rocky with my Chucky. Yummy, yummy, yummy. That's a nice song.
Me and my Rocky drinking my Chucky. Almost done with the other one.
Can we give him some Chucky?
No. No, we can't.
Can I put some Chucky in here?
No. No. Time to put the glitter, all of the glitter glue in. I can't seem to get it out. Since we got the glitter glue in, time to mix it with this teeny tiny spoon. Now we're adding the purple color.
We ran out of purple, so we need to mix up a couple of colors. Do you know what colors should we mix, Kayla?
To make purple. Blue and red.
Blue and red, that's right.
Yes.
In Tagalog, what's the word for blue in Tagalog? Azul.
Oh, that's cool.
Can you say it?
Azul.
Azul.
How about red?
How about red? What's the Tagalog word for red? Pula.
Ah,
Pula.
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 Pula. And
Azul.
azul.
Purple in Tagalog is, I googled this because I didn't know this either. It's lila. Lila. So while you're mixing that, can you tell us a joke?
Yes. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Cows go.
Cows go who?
No, silly. Cows go moo.
After we put all the ingredients, glue, glitter, what else? And the color?
Time to put in this
It's
Ariel detergent gel. You can add more liquid detergent to make it less stickier.
Or not too much.
Yeah!
Try to test your slime if it's no longer too sticky and easy to play with. And be careful adding the liquid detergent, because if you add too much, it will harden the slime.
Tagalog for happy is masaya. Tagalog for sad is malungkot.
Kids, be careful playing with the slime, because once it gets stuck to your clothes, then it's going to be hard to remove.
Be careful, because this might happen to you, see? The slime fell down on me. I hope you like the slime that we made. Thanks for watching. Bye! Whee! Rocky with my Chucky, lucky, 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 me and my Chucky.